Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a winter afternoon. Checking into Caesars. I have a comped room, what they call a panoramic room. I guess it's a corner room. I'm going to check in. I'm basically all checked in. I just have to scan my phone and get a room key. So gonna head inside. Come along with me. Let's check out what Caesars is looking like these days, shall we? Like I said, it's been about probably a year since I've stayed here at Caesars. Obviously, I've been here quite often, but I haven't stayed overnight, so I'm looking forward to seeing what this room looks like. I'm gonna do a slot pull tonight too, so that'll be a separate video, but you can check that out on the channel as well. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Captain Morgan in my latest Norwegian cruise video, Ocean's Chicken Wings and a Hot Dog. Congratulations, Deborah Camacho. Chicken wings and a hot dog at an Irish pub. Who says this isn't a classy YouTube channel? Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. There's been a lot of renovations here at the Centurion Tower here at Caesars, and just about everything looks and smells brand new, including my room. It's been recently renovated. There are plenty of outlets throughout the room, even for this vlogger, and not only just electrical outlets, but lots of USB, high-speed USB outlets, and micro C outlets as well. There's even a HDMI cable outlet here on the desk if you want to plug in your laptop and watch a movie on the big screen here in the room. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New Yawk channel, check out the new Facebook New Yawk fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. I'm not huge on social media. I mean, YouTube is pretty much as far as I go. If anything, I would expand my horizons on YouTube before I expand it into other types of social media. I do have a Facebook account, but I hardly ever use it. The same thing with Twitter and Instagram and TikTok. But I do have to say I stopped by that fan page that Dan has created, and it's pretty active. So thank you so much again, Dan. And if you haven't had a chance, check it out, people. Again, the link is in the description below. I tend to rate showers on two things, primarily how clean they are, and secondarily, how many they can hold. This one can hold 3 or 4 if they're very friendly. Get your mind out of the gutter. I'm talking about puppies. This is a family-friendly channel, people. Oh my goodness, there's UFOs everywhere! Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to turn the lights off for these shots. Whew. And well, that's pretty much it for the King non-smoking Centurion Tower panoramic room. It's a corner room. Great views of the beach, great views of the northern end of the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Quite happy with the room, and of course the price was right. It was comp, so no complaints about that. It was newly renovated. I'm going to say probably a little over a year ago. Everything looks new and nothing scuffed up, and hardwood floors, which I really like. Looks like I'm going to be comfortable here tonight. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.